for that little container.
That would be just 8 less than half, so I said 25%.
There you go. Because the only one they mark for your skill steps is the fluid. Your calculation for the fluid. It wasn't within that 60 mil of the examiner's reading. This by 4 to know how many numbers you will get for less than half, for half, or more than half, like that.
Okay, you guys give me, in case you put it this way, 2 go into 24.
What do you mean by 2 going to 24?
He said, why you don't divide it by 2?
Yeah, 2, because you say half over
If
there.
you buy 2 by 240, what it will give you?
120.
It will give you 120.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
60 plus 60 gives you what? 120.
120, yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I'm saying.
But you said divide by 4.
No, I said,
If you
no,
divide
you
this
just
by
have to
4,
break it
it's
down.
60, 60, 60.
60.
Okay.
But I'm
Divide by
guessing
2,
60. No, you divide by 2, you will get it.
But why are you dividing by 2? You see, they're not getting the concept that I'm trying to introduce here. You think you're just dividing because you want to divide? But if I give you this container and I tell you, say, this container contains, I'll grab something so we can be reasonable here. $2.40. Please feed one of these people here. As you were feeding them, they asked you for water to drink. And they drank less than half of this bottle.
60
How will you come up with that less than half?
divided by 4.
Thank you, sister. If they drank half of this, how will you come up with that half?
Divided by 2 or divided?
Thank you very much, sister. If they drank more than half of this, how will you come up with that more than half?
Divided
You
by
divide it by 3. If you want to know how much of that less than half, then you divide by 4. If you want to know if they drank half, then you divide by 2. If they drank more than half, then divide it by 3. If you divide this by 4, then yeah, you hear. That's 60, 60, 60, 60. Then it means the person drank only this less than half, which is equal to 60. And that less than half?
Yes.
If they drank half and you divide it by 2,
Yes.
if you divide this number by 2, it will give you this half,
120.
this less than half, and plus this less than half equal 1/2. And this 1/2, this 60 plus this 60 here, all together that what? 120. Oh. 120 is half of 240 because it drank half of the fluid. Oh, but you see, but the same language you're speaking here. But why are you dividing by 2 when the person drank less than half? Your answer will not be correct. Divide it by 4, so you know what that amount is, that less than half amount. It's going to be 60 milliliters. If they drank more than half, then your option here is to divide by 3. So you will know what that more than half amount that the person drank is. Simple. So if you guys leave from here, they go through this number at you, be happy. If you sat down here and pay attention, just forget it, man. They drank less than half, that's 60 mil. Don't even sweat. If they throw any one of these numbers at you for any of the containers, you should know what to do now. That's simple arithmetic. Simple arithmetic. You just observe and notice how much was drank out of it. How much the person drank out of it.